Today we are learning about the French twist. So this one is a pretty big staple to learn for those that do different styles outside of ballet. It's pretty common for some tap and jazz routines and stuff. And it's like doing your hair in a bun, but now we do not use a hairnet. We are going to actually do the demonstration using the same side part that I taught the other day. And if you have shorter hair, you may have to work this a little bit harder. So be a little prepared. I will demonstrate that first so you have an idea of how you can anchor your hair down if you have shorter hair. My hair is long enough that I actually do not need to use the anchor points at this time. When my hair is shorter though, I will do this method that I'm going to demonstrate because I need some place to clip my hair off to. So you want to find the center and the back of your head, and you're going to pull this shorter side down and back and pull it over. So that way it's nice and smooth going across the back of your head. You're going to take your bobby pins now, and you can either do just diagonals moving up, or you can crisscross. Remember, the waves always go closest to your scalp. It doesn't have to be anything pretty. You just want them interlocking so that way when we do go to twist, again, you have points that you're able to connect the twist to. I'm actually going to take those back out because, like I said, my hair does not need them, and they actually will get in the way with how thick my hair is when I go to do the twist. So I want to take those out for this demonstration, but when I go to pin the twist down, just know that that's going to be what you put the bobby pins into. We're going to smooth everything back just like we did for the bun. We're going to take it in the center of our head, and we're going to twist. But now you're going to twist up. From there, just like the bun, you go back over, you can bobby pin down any of the loose spots, anchor in the back, all of that, make sure that everything is well tucked in, smooth out any of the rough patches. Sometimes up top does get a little bumpy, just like with a bun sometimes. So if you need to go back over, get those bobby pins to lay it down nice and flat and make sure that it's nice and slick. We've also used this hairstyle for a bit more of a classic look as well. For one of our hip hop pieces, we had a black widow spider that we did a double French twist and had a headpiece and everything, so we had a bit like classic vibe happening too with that. So you have different ways that you're able to twist it. You can also twist it and like have the hair poof up at the top, or you can do like different spirals up there. This, however, is the classic French twist that is most commonly used in the dance world, I would have to say, at least. So I will see you tomorrow as we talk about back combing. I'm saving that one for last so my hair can recover. I will see you tomorrow.